Welcome to HD EduTools Kukas program. In this program, you can strengthen your mathematics and science. This is a foundation program in mathematics and science. It helps you to learn basic to advanced level and enables you to crack any competitive exam. In this program, you get IIT NEET Foundation, NTSC Olympiad like exam preparation, regular, that is board exam preparation. If you enter into the site by typing www.hdeduTools.com, after entering into this, you go to the login. In login, student login, and this is student login page. Enter your user ID and password. Then you log in to your dashboard. Here you are finding 8 icons. This first one related to learning. Using this, you can learn and practice, and this is related to the assessments, and this section to assess you how far you learned, and in this you get audio visuals related to your regular course, and this is your result, and this is the competitive corner. This helps you to prepare competitive exams like Olympiads, NTSC, NSO, and higher competitive exams. And in this, you get study materials in PDF form, and this is optional test and today's work. To participate in mock tests, these two columns will help you. First, you go to learning column. When you click it, mathematics, physics, chemistry, and biology are there, and you select the subject and you select the topic what you want to learn. Then you can see 4 parts: ability check, basic, analytical, and advanced. To learn this topic, we require some prerequisites. When you go to this, a questionnaire will appear. If you answer all these questions and submit, you get a score. Based on your score, whatever the prerequisites you required, that will be displayed, and you can learn the prerequisites using these videos. These prerequisites are minimum basics to learn present topic. After learning this, once again you check your abilities. If you can clear this, if you can answer all questions, then directly you can enter into learning session, that is the topic what you have to learn. With this audio visual you can learn. After completing it, you go to practice session. In this practice session you have basic, analytical, advanced level. Almost all basic level you will be guided by the program, that is if you do one wrong answer, you get a hint. Again, if you choose wrong answer, related audio visual will appear. If you do again wrong, it gives a solution, and also it asks you to go for an alternate question. After completing basic level, you will enter into analytical level. After completing analytical level, you will enter into advanced level. If you complete advanced level, you have a chance to learn the topics in higher classes related to this. Like this, you can learn from basic level to advanced level in this session. And the next one is assessment. Just it gives an idea how far you learned in that topic, what is your position at different abilities in the topic, where you are weak. You go through those topics, you cover yourself those topics using study materials or videos. And in this regular classroom, you have audio visuals related to your class. You can watch at any time for the clarification of doubts or for revision. And this is the competitive corner. In this competitor corner, higher class material is included for practice. And if you want to prepare for any competitive exam, those topics are also included in this. Study materials in PDF form. You have the study materials. You can download, you can print, you can go through this for learning. And this optional test and today's work. These are the columns for your teacher to assign some work to you, or HD EduTools also alerts you some work in form of mock tests. This is a structural complete learning program. You start learning it. Happy learning. We hope you can learn better with this program.